Okay, I did a recap earlier, but this is a new recap. Very bad day trading. I was able to get my account back to negative 40, so I've lost about $140 on the day. Just a wretched day. I don't even know how to explain it. So I didn't trust that my top end reversal strategy would work, and why I'm doing the recap again is it did. It did work. More like scout mode today. Anyways, FL, LK, MU, pins, and AMD. Lost. I'm not FL. I shouldn't have lost on FL. Something weird happened with that. So I'll go over that one more time. So FL here, where the heck is it? Okay, so right here, I went short at 41.89. I don't even know my thought process. Oh, it lost the whole dollar. Oh, here's what it did. It came out 41.95. I went short. I meant to go short, like right around here, 94. Yeah, at 94. I got filled at 89. It did actually sell down and then came back up. So opened. It sold down 41.81, which has been good profit. But when I saw it come up, I went to get out right here at 41.88, and for some reason it wouldn't. So immediately this sells down 41.78. Maybe it was this candle I meant to get out on. I couldn't. It wouldn't let me out, and I don't know why. But I wanted to get out of break even because I kind of thought I'd do this move right here if it didn't sell down immediately. It came up and sold back down. I was just waiting to get some of my loss back, and then I wanted to get out here at 41.88 again, but it just sold right here, so I took a $50 loss on that, which was unfortunate. MU was my first trade. MU I got in here. Let's get better resolution here. MU comes up, sells down to VWAP. It's a strong day in the stock market, so obviously MU is going to go up. It didn't. It went up 33.14. I got 10 cents out of it and scaled out for some reason. It never did make a new 1 minute low. I thought it might because MU can go down pretty quickly, but look what it did. It just ran up. That's obviously something I got to get much better at. I'm not good at staying in trades. So normally, I'm a counter trender, but I want to get better at this. So I'm just going to have to stay smooth and see. Look, it had gapped up on the day to a level, a pretty good level here, where it was support and resistance, and just sold up all day. So it would have been nice if I would have stayed in it, but I just didn't have the cojones. I get too freaked out. But that was my first trade as a winner. I took it. Happy with it. My next trade, I believe, was LK. LK I took along the break of 50 for a move up to, because at the time it was getting ready to go red to green. So it's kind of 1, 2, 3 up days. Getting ready, and the stock market was strong. I was kind of thinking it's going to run up here to this 22.33 level. Didn't. So I stopped out twice. Long out, long out. Then I see it lose the VWAP right here. I tried to go short right here. This is where I tried to go short. It was 21.22 on that break. Then I got filled at 21.10. And so I stopped out getting cold feet. Then I saw that the next candle open, it didn't make a new 1 minute high, so I went short. And I was down almost $400 at this point, so I went ahead and cut my losses in Rand. I probably would have got out here on the double bottom, but this was my target in this 60 range right here. it was my target because there was this moving average right here. That's why. That was my target. Did I expect it to go to 2031? No, but look, that's a pretty good solid bounce. You got a low here and a low here on the 15-minute chart. So anyways, that's that trade. Docu I was looking at, I didn't trade it. SFXIS or SFIX. This I didn't trade. Pins, one of my next trades. You can see it comes up and it's hitting the ping in the VWAP. Ping, 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 ping. And I'm thinking, well, it's not going to break the VWAP. I took a short right here at 29.16 when it broke this moving average right here. And then it came up over VWAP, so I went ahead and got out. That added to my loss. Was slippage. It was 10 cents, so it's 1,000 shares, $100. Because at 29.43 doesn't break the $0.50. And why is that sucker important? 86 right here. Because it looks like right through here there's some sort of resistance. I didn't expect pins to sell off this much, but when it did a false breakout, it came down, tested the low of the day. When I saw it break the whole dollar, I went short. Now again, massive slippage. I wanted to get a fill at 95 and I wound up getting a fill at 87, so I was a little freaked out. What happened was it sold back up, and I was just really watching this volume right here to see what it's going to do and see if it would break this moving average and the whole dollar. The bid never broke the whole dollar, and it did sell off. I was hoping for this moving average 28.65. It got close, and I wanted to cut my losses for the day. When you don't want to camp out. I was already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes into the trade. You don't want to camp out when you're having a bad day. Just try to cut your losses and get out. And you can see it made a big move, but I'm not going to, had I been up, I've been more apt to stay in. But with everything going on, I had to get the hell out of it. Now AMD helped my psychology today. It tells me that top end reversals do work in up markets. So I didn't stay in it very long. My target was 78, and you can see I executed that target. Could it sell down? Yeah, it could. Is it likely in this market? I don't know, but I'm not going to be in it. But look at this. This is just pretty looking. Lower highs, lower lows, and we'll see what it does. It might just catch fire right here and go back up. Who knows? But what I saw and what I waited for, right here at 87, it sells down. I think 82. I mean, I did get a little paranoid that it was going to go ahead and make its move, but I stayed patient, waited for 95, added more at 96. Took profit, right here at what I felt was support, and then it did sell up, and then I just got out the rest of the shares right here. I wanted to limit. No, again, it's all about limiting my loss for the day. And as you can see, that coincided with this 5-minute moving average, and another 15-minute level of support. So, and then volume. I don't think I was even watching volume. I just traded my P&L, to be honest with you. Trying to get that down, that loss down, and so I'm proud to say I did that. I'm proud to say that I'm shutting my platform down. I said I was shutting it down earlier, but I saw a good setup in AMD, so I'm going to take the loss, chalk it up to today, and I think what I need to focus on, if I'm having a note to myself, I need to focus on the 1 minute low of getting out on momentum stocks. I'm going to trade the open. I need to make sure that I don't get out unless it's a 1 minute low, and then taking 1,000 shares trade on some of these things with a high spread is I probably took too big of a position size. I know I did one of those trades just subconsciously that way, but I really need to focus on smaller share size at the open, and then I can the one strategy I'm good at, I can take a larger share size as the top end manifests itself. So again, obviously I don't want to trade 250 shares, although that wouldn't hurt, just to see how the strategy works. Back tomorrow.